Are you ready to push the limits of adventure? Meet the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, the ultimate adventure smartwatch built for explorers, athletes, and anyone who refuses to settle for ordinary. With a rugged yet refined design, military-grade durability, solar-powered battery life that lasts for weeks, next-level health tracking, and pinpoint GPS navigation, this watch isn't just a gadget, it's your survival partner. Whether you're climbing mountains, running marathons, or diving into the unknown, the Fenix 8 Pro is designed to keep up with you every step of the way. Let's dive in and see why this might just be the most powerful smartwatch Garmin has ever made. Welcome to my channel Tech Launch. Subscribe my channel and click on the bell icon for the new tech updates. The Garmin Fenix lineup has long stood as a benchmark for premium multi-sport smartwatches, designed for those who push their limits in the great outdoors and demand nothing less than excellence from their gear. With the arrival of the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro, Garmin once again raises the bar, delivering a rugged yet refined smartwatch that combines cutting-edge performance, unmatched durability, and a wide range of intelligent features that make it the ultimate adventure companion. Built on the legacy of its predecessors, the Fenix 8 Pro is not just an incremental upgrade. It represents a rethinking of what an adventure smartwatch can offer in terms of endurance, connectivity, health insights, and everyday usability. For professional athletes, outdoor explorers, or fitness enthusiasts seeking a premium device that thrives in every environment, the Fenix 8 Pro has quickly become the most anticipated release in Garmin's history. One of the first things users will notice about the Garmin Fenix 8 Pro is its stunning design evolution. While Garmin has always emphasized rugged durability, the 8 Pro manages to combine toughness with modern elegance. The watch's case is engineered with high-grade titanium and carbon-reinforced polymer, ensuring resilience against extreme conditions, while also keeping weight surprisingly low. The watch is scratch-resistant thanks to sapphire crystal protection, which makes it highly durable for climbing, hiking, or intense sports. At the same time, Garmin has refined the display technology by introducing a new high-contrast AMOLED option in addition to its classic transflective MIP display. The AMOLED version offers vibrant colors and sharp readability, perfect for those who want a smartwatch that feels equally at home in adventure mode and in the office. The transflective display version, meanwhile, ensures maximum battery efficiency and perfect readability under direct sunlight, making it a favorite among long-distance explorers. Speaking of battery life, this is where the Fenix 8 Pro cements its dominance. Garmin has once again leveraged its advanced solar charging technology, improving efficiency to the point where adventurers can go weeks without plugging in. With optimized energy modes, users can expect up to 30 days of use in smartwatch mode, and even longer in expedition or GPS battery saver modes. For those who demand constant GPS tracking on long treks or ultramarathons, the Fenix 8 Pro delivers unmatched endurance, offering over 120 hours of full GPS recording with solar assistance. This capability is game-changing for mountaineers, hikers, and explorers who often operate in remote environments where charging opportunities are scarce. Unlike many competitors that struggle to balance performance with power efficiency, Garmin has mastered the balance, ensuring that users never have to compromise between features and endurance. Performance tracking is at the heart of the Fenix 8 Pro, and Garmin has introduced several new features that expand on its already impressive fitness toolkit. The latest version includes enhanced multi-band GNSS support, ensuring pinpoint accuracy in navigation, even in the most challenging environments like dense forests, high mountains, or urban canyons where signal interference is common. For athletes, the Fenix 8 Pro brings an improved training readiness score, which factors in sleep quality, recovery, stress levels, and overall workload to provide a holistic picture of whether the body is primed for peak performance or in need of rest. Garmin's latest advanced metrics also include real-time stamina tracking, VO2 max adjustments for heat and altitude, and updated training load measurements that help athletes train smarter, not harder. These features are particularly valuable for endurance athletes who need to balance pushing their limits with preventing overtraining. The Fenix 8 Pro also takes wellness tracking to an entirely new level. While previous Garmin watches offered comprehensive heart rate, SpO2, and sleep tracking, the 8 Pro introduces continuous skin temperature monitoring, improved HRV, heart rate variability, analysis, and advanced respiratory tracking. These tools allow users to gain deeper insights into their body's readiness and recovery, while also serving as early indicators for potential health concerns. Garmin has also refined its sleep coaching algorithms, now offering not just reports but actionable suggestions to improve rest quality. With stress tracking, mindfulness reminders, and hydration logging, The Fenix 8 Pro is not just a fitness tracker but a full-scale wellness assistant. For outdoor adventurers, safety is another cornerstone, and Garmin has doubled down by improving its incident detection, fall alerts, and real-time location sharing features, which can be a literal lifesaver in remote or hazardous conditions. One of the standout qualities of the Fenix 8 Pro is its role as a navigation powerhouse. Building on Garmin's expertise in GPS technology, the watch now includes advanced topo maps preloaded with global coverage, improved route guidance, and dynamic elevation profiles. Whether you are trail running through the Alps, navigating remote deserts, or exploring dense jungle trails, the Fenix 8 Pro ensures you always know where you are and how to reach your destination. With its improved map rendering, panning and zooming are smoother than ever, and color maps provide a level of clarity that feels closer to smartphone navigation while still being optimized for battery efficiency. For marine explorers, the watch also integrates detailed nautical maps, while skiers gain access to thousands of ski resort maps worldwide. This versatility makes the Fenix 8 Pro the single most capable adventure navigation tool on the wrist. Another dimension that makes the Fenix 8 Pro stand out is its seamless connectivity. Unlike older generations, the 8 Pro takes full advantage of LTE connectivity in select models, enabling standalone communication even without a smartphone. Adventurers can now send texts, share their live location, or call for emergency help when beyond cellular coverage using Garmin's InReach satellite network. This integration bridges the gap between smartwatch and satellite communicator, consolidating essential survival features into one device. Combined with Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, ANT+, and compatibility with countless external sensors, the Fenix 8 Pro works perfectly within Garmin's ecosystem as well as with third-party accessories. This makes it equally appealing for cyclists, runners, triathletes, and adventure travelers who want maximum integration with their gear. Even in the most challenging environments like dense forests, high mountains, or urban canyons where signal interference is common. For athletes, the Fenix 8 Pro brings an improved training readiness score, which factors in sleep quality, recovery, stress levels, and overall workload to provide a holistic picture of whether the body is primed for peak performance or in need of rest. Garmin's latest advanced metrics also include real-time stamina tracking, VO2 max adjustments for heat and altitude, and updated training load measurements that help athletes train smarter, not harder. These features are particularly valuable for endurance athletes who need to balance pushing their limits with preventing overtraining. The Fenix 8 Pro also takes wellness tracking to an entirely new level. While previous Garmin watches offered comprehensive heart rate, SpO2, and sleep tracking, the 8 Pro introduces continuous skin temperature monitoring, improved HRV, heart rate variability, analysis, and advanced respiratory tracking. These tools allow users to gain deeper insights into their body's readiness and recovery, while also serving as early indicators for potential health concerns. Garmin has also refined its